Yeah, I've been wondering for a while whether it's possible to fly it while you sat in the car. The thing is, sometimes you kind of like, you know, I might think you'd get a range issue. I suppose you might. I don't know, we'll just see it and test. So yeah, up we go. See how much range we can actually get with me sat in the car. So see you then. Now if I can fly, like, you know, a little circuit just around here, that might be enough. I've still got line of sight of the drone. Does the glass cause a problem? I don't know, maybe not. We're exactly 50 metres above these houses here. Get a bit choppy there. 250 metres away, just coming up to the 300 mark. Yeah, signal's not bad still. Getting up to 450. Weak signal. I'm pretty happy with that. Sat in the car, 700 metres,